This tutorial goes along with Project 21 in Excel. To begin with, you'll download the file from Canvas. Then we'll come up and click on Enable Editing. And then we need to finish the formatting for this. The numbers in cells B5 through D6 need to be formatted to show commas with no decimals. So we'll go to the Home tab, the Numbers group, click on the launcher. Then in the category listing under the Number tab, we're going to choose Number, change your decimal places to 0, and put a check mark next to Use 1000 separator. Click OK. Then let's double check that it is centered horizontally and vertically on the page. It looks like our column widths are okay. In fact, we need to make sure ours is wide enough for the main heading, so we're not going to change the widths of things. And we are ready to save this as Project 21. So go to File and Save As. Change to your student drive. Go into your Computer Tech folder, into your Excel folder, and make sure the name says Project 21. Click on Save. Now for part 2, it asks us to create a bar chart that illustrates the number of downloads and to place that on a new sheet. So we're going to go ahead and highlight all of our data, so A4 through D6, and then go to Insert. And in the Charts group, we're going to choose Bar. And we either want to do a 2D bar or a 3D bar. I'm going to go ahead and choose a 3D bar. Here's our bar chart that shows up. What we're going to do is come up to the Chart Tools Design tab and go to the Location group and click on Move Chart. Choose New Sheet and then go ahead and name that sheet Project 21. And here's our chart. Now it does tell us to make sure that our font is small enough that over here we have all 3 years showing, 2005, 6, and 8. And it looks like we do, so we don't need to make a change there. We do need to add a main heading. Go to Chart Tools and the Layout tab. In the Labels group, choose Chart Title and above Chart. Then click inside your formula bar, and we're going to type in iTunes Downloads. Make that all caps. And then I'm going to come in, and because iTunes is kind of a trademarked thing, we're going to go ahead and make the I lowercase just to kind of go along with their theme, but keep the rest uppercase. And then to add a subheading, we'll go ahead and press Enter to get underneath that heading. Change your font to 12 point and remove the bold, and for your subheading, put in Project 21. Our vertical axis here, where we have 2005, 6, and 8, needs to have the heading years assigned to it. So we'll go to Chart Tools Layout, and then in the Labels group, go to Axis Titles, Primary Vertical, and let's do a rotated title. And then in your formula bar, key in years. And then let's add an axis title for the horizontal. Do title below axis. Click in your formula bar and type in downloads in millions. All right, you can go ahead and change any of your fonts or colors to enhance this how you would like. I'm going to go ahead and change my font on my heading. And I'm going to change the font on my legend. And just to keep everything looking the same, I'm going to change them on the rest of my chart as well. And I'm just using the F4 button to repeat the last command, which was to change the font. If you want to change the colors of the bars or add a background here, we can do that. I'm going to add a little fill color to my background just to make it look kind of sharp there. All right, so those are some extra things that you can do to yours if you would like. Once we're finished making changes, we're going to go ahead and save this. We're just going to do a quick save since we already named it. And then we're going to convert to a PDF. And then you are ready to submit your assignment to Canvas.